Hi, Shruti. Hi. Are you listening my voice? Yeah. Okay. Oh, good. Thank you. Hi, Dr. Para, sir. Hi. Yes, Mr. Suresh. Warm welcome, all of you. Right. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, Shruti, I will start my session. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Good morning to all of you. This is immense pleasure for me for inviting this very important and very fruitful webinar. As of current scenario, COVID-19, a very epidemic issue across whole of the world, along with India also. Due to this COVID-19, very bad effect in our lives also, like jobs, poverty, rehabilitation, social, personal issues. Even we far from the family, friends, and others. Homely atmosphere is also affected for this issue. For these all the aspect, how can we can overcome from the above and other issues from motivation. For this, self motivation is required. How can we can go for the self motivation? Self motivation is the inspiration behind your behavior and actions. It is an important mechanism that will help you to reach your goal. Without external influences, self motivation improves your confidence and self esteem, as well as gives you strength to achieve your goal also. The self motivation is the important in every aspect of your life, be it the career, be it social life, be it relationship, be health and fitness, spirituality or personality development also. Firstly, you must find out what it motivates you. The first thing, you can find out yourself what motivates you. Self motivation is the more efficient method. Reading motivational books will inspire you temporarily. If you can motivate yourself, you do not have to depend on any external factors. Self motivation is the best inspirational techniques. For self motivation, first most important thing is dream. सपना सपना देखना चाहिए. We will see the dream. Without having a dream, you cannot achieve anything. Only when you have a dream, you will be determined to follow it and make it real. Self motivations. The second aspect is the make concrete plan. First is the dream. Second is the make concrete plan. It is very important to make realistic goals. They should not be extraordinary and unreachable. Firstly, discover your strengths, your force, and also your limits. Only then set your goals. The third thing for self motivation is the positive attitude. Always be positive. Your attitude is your biggest assets. Positive thinking is extremely important as your thoughts and attitude will influence your plans and actions. Do not let negative thoughts or people influences you. No thought nor influences the negative people is the important thing. Do not get frustrated, or depressed. Be positive. The fourth point for the self motivation is to start with a small step. You've taken a small step, not the longer. कछुआ की चाल से हमें चलना पड़ेगा. We'll start with the small steps. Pupil always think before the trying how this work will done. You must at least take a single step to begin your work. You start your work or you start your new any work to take a single step. Once you begin, you will see it is easier to continue. When you start and you can take a first steps, this is easier to continue. Do not fear making mistakes, because the more you fear, the more likely you are to commit one. So don't be fear. Remember that failure is followed by success. The failure is not coming the success. The next point, the self-motivation, is the consistency. You have to self-motivate and be the focused, strengthen your interest and desire to succeed. Do not complain about lack of the resources or unsuitable situation. If you are really determined, you will accomplish your goal. You must not let any kind of obstacles affect you or your action plan. So consistency is also very important in your self-motivation. Next point, never quit. कभी किसी वर्क को आप करें तो you can not quit in the mid of work. Never quit. If you follow the right plan and the procedure, you are sure to succeed, but there may be times when things can go wrong. However, you must never lose hope. Keep on trying. Find out what is the wrong, but not to quit. You can try, find out what is the wrong, what is the right, but not quit in the middle of the work. This is the important thing. So gear up and get started. Reward yourself. Always reward yourself. Even if you make any single accomplishment, believe in yourself so that you can easily self-motivate yourself. Recall these self-motivation skill daily and you are sure to success. So, never quit. This is the more focus. Now, we relate self-motivation with the alphabet A to Z, which we call in Hindi Varnmala. A से Z तक पे हम कैसे इसको कनेक्ट करते हैं, कैसे how can we'll motivate for A, for B, for C, for D. We teach our child A for apple, B for boy, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant. So how can we relate this motivation A to Z? Now point come to this. First alphabet is the A. Avoid negative sources. Second, pupil. Third, places. Fourth, things and habits. 5 things for A. 5 things for A. Only remember your mind. Avoid. First is the negative sources. Second is the pupils. Third is the places. Fourth is the things. And last is the habits. Second is the believe in yourself. Second, believe yourself, not others. You praise yourself. The C, the third point, C, consider things from every angle. Every angle you consider all the aspect. Next is the D, do not give up and do not give in. You start with the work and mid it you give up. and you start with the new. No, no, no. Do not do this. Do not give up and do not give in. The next point is the E, alphabet E. Enjoy life today. You can enjoy your life today because yesterday is gone. Tomorrow may never come. Tomorrow will never come. Yesterday is gone. So only today is balanced. So enjoy your life today. Next is the F. The family and friends are the hidden treasures. Seek them and enjoy their riches. Very important in our life is the two things. Family is the first, friends is the second. They are the hidden treasure. Always keep them. Is the F. The next is the G alphabet. Sorry. Give more than you plan to. G for the give more than you plan to. You plan that you can do this for 15 days, 20 days. No, you can give more for time, your value, for your words. H. Hang on to your dreams. Hang on your dreams. Dreams के लिए आप chase करिए. You can chase your dreams. I. Ignore those who are trying to discourage you. Ignore all the kith and kin, friends, families member who try to discourage you. This is the important thumb rule of motivation. Ignore those. J. Just do it. You can plan for this. Go and just do it. Next for the key. Keep trying no matter how hard it seems, it will get easier. So keep trying. Next is L. Love yourself first and most. Love yourself first. पहला भी करिए और सबसे ज़्यादा भी कीजिए. So love yourself first and most. Next alphabet is come as M. Make it happen. Everything make it happen. Next alphabet is N. Never lie yourself. This is the very important thing. Never lie yourself. Cheated or steal. Always strike a fair deal. Every time you strike do the fair deal. Next alphabet is coming the O. Open your eyes. Always open your eyes and see things as they really are. Totally open your eyes and see things as they really are. Next alphabet is the P. Practice can a man perfect. With always listen and read. So always practice makes perfect. So you can do practice to factory. You can fail first time, second time, fourth time, and next coming of days you can win. So practice makes perfect. Q. Quitters never win. This is the important thing. Quitters never win and winner never quit. Next is alphabet is R. Ready, study and learn about everything important in your life. Always be ready. Always be study. Always be try to learn from the small kids. This is the important thing in your life. Next alphabet is come as S. Stop procrastinating. Do not procrastinating. Next alphabet is take control of your own destiny. You can control your own destiny. Alphabet is next is coming U. Understand yourself to better understand others. First you understand yourself to better understand others. Next alphabet come is V. This is the very important also. Visualize it. when you want to work, you start to work, you can visualize yourself first. Totally you visualize your works. Then you can achieve easily your target. Next alphabetic is what? The W. So want it more than anything. Want it more than anything. Next is X. Accelerate your efforts. Every time accelerate your efforts. Why? Why? You are unique of all gods. You always think that you are the unique personality and a creation from the God side. Nothing can replace you. Nobody can replace you. You are the really unique and none to second. Is a single creation of the God. Nobody can replace you. Every time you can keep this in your mind. Next and last alphabetic is the Z. This mean is zero in your target and go for it. When you start, you always zero. So start your target with zero and go for it. This is the simple thing. This is the all alphabet which we discuss and through associate with our self motivation. What is the tool for coming for the motivation for self? These are the tools. First is training topic. You can always search the training topic. Showing self-confidence, always the self-confidence, never give up. What is the success? Question always yourself, what is the success? Characteristics essential to achieve the success. The power of the positive attitude is the next. Expectation and self-efficacy is the very important. Importance of commitment. You do commitment from yourself. This is the very important key of the motivation. Power of persistence. This is also important. Self-motivation tip is important. What is the self-motivation tip? You can always remember in your mind. Always focus in your target. Not see either by side. Hard working is the important thing. Very important thing is the hard work. Positive belief. Every time, each and every places, positive thinking, positive believing, very important. Character is the most important thing. Give more than what you get. Pride of the performance is the also important thing. Passion. Every thing you passion, then you achieve your goal or your target easily. Strategy is important also. Personal goal setting. You become personal goal. Now we discuss mechanism. Motivation, the factor within and outside an organism that cause it to behave a certain way at a certain time. Motivational state or drive, an internal condition which can change over the time, that oriented an individual to a specific set of the goals, like hunger, thirst, curiosity, etc. Incentive, goals or reinforces in the external environmental, that is the good grade, food, etc. Motivating people. What is motivating people is the important thing. An important role of a manager is to motivate the pupil working on the project. Any pupils are working in various projects. The head of the department motivate these pupils time to time. Motivation is a complex issue, but it appears that there are the difficult times of the motivation based on the basic needs like food, sleep, etc. Personal needs is respect, self-esteem. Social needs, to be accepted as a part of the group, is the very important things. Self-actualization is also needs. Esteem needs. Social is a very important thing, is also needs. Any work use safety is also very important things. And last is the psychological needs. Psychological is the key factor for the self motivation. So always be careful. Now with next topic is the personality types. How can we develop our personality for become a self motivation? The need hierarchy is the almost certainly and the oversimplification of the motivation and the practice. Motivation should also take into the account different personality type: task oriented, self oriented, interaction oriented. These are the personality tests. Next core of the action will can go for the self assessment. This is the important key also for the self motivation. The self assessment is important thing. In this scenario, we can see task oriented. How can we go for our task? The motivation for the doing the work is the work itself. Self oriented, the work is a means to an end, which is the achievement of the individual goals. To get interaction oriented, the principal motivation is the presence and action of the co-workers. People go to the work because they like to go to the work. So this is also self-assessment is necessary. In success, as per my view, is the 10 things is very important. 10 बातें बहुत जरूरी हैं अगर हमारी सफलता के लिए. The success is the 10 things is very important. First is performance. Second is patience. Third is persistence. Fourth is determination. Fifth is risk. Sixth is hard work. Seventh is discipline. Eight is attitude. 9 is failure. Failure is also important thing. Or 10th, last not the least, be careful yourself and not tell a lie from yourself. So this is the 10th thing which is, as per my mind, is the key thing for achieving anybody success. Again, we can again discuss this. 10 things is the more important thing in the success. The first is performance, second is the patience, third is the persistence, fourth is excel, fifth is determination, sixth is the risk, seventh is hard work, eighth is discipline, ninth is attitude, and 10th failure. With try not speak, tell a lie for yourself. These are the important things. Now, some quotes are important, very important, inspirational quote, which I like in many of my speeches, in training and seminar, webinar, live demo. I quoted most inspirational quote, which is very important in my life also, which also share with you. First is to keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadow will fall behind you. कोशिश कीजिए कि आपका जो फेस हो वो सूर्य की तरफ हो, फ्रंट ऑफ द सनशाइन, और छाया जो हो वो पीछे से आए, बैक, the shadow will fall behind you. Second, it is always the simple that the produce the marvelous. The second thing. Third thing, the world is full of magical things patiently waiting for our wits to grow sharper. Fourth, let us make our future now and let us make our dreams tomorrow reality. Let's make our future now and let's make our dreams tomorrow for reality. Next is all you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Sixth, the glow of warm thought is to me worth more than the money. This is the important thing. Glow of one warm thought always worth more than the money. Seventh point is which inspire me. Once we believe in ourselves, very important point. Once we believe in ourselves, we can risk curiosity, wonder, spontaneous delight, or any experience that reveals the human spirit. Eighth point, the power of imagination make us infinite. Ninth, which is inspire me, the try to be a rainbow in someone clouds. Always to try to become a rainbow. This is the rainbow. You can all of you seen आकाश में आपने देखा होगा. You can see always in the sky the makes the colorful the rainbow. So try to be a rainbow in someone clouds, not in your. दूसरे की लाइफ में आप रेनबो बने. Try to become a rainbow in someone clouds. 10th, I believe that if one always look at the sky, one would end up with wings. This is important. I believe that if one always look at the sky, one would end up with the wings. Next point is the 11th, right? 11th, I dwell in possibility. 12 point, light tomorrow with the today. Always light tomorrow with today. My 13 most inspiration me, I rise full of eagerness and energy, knowing well what achievement lie ahead of me. 14th, a number of pencil or pen and a dream can take you anywhere of the world. Next, 15, when the sun is shining, I can do anything. No mountain is too high, no trouble too difficult to overcome. So always be ready. When the sun is shining, you can do anything which you thought in your mind. 16 point is my mind and inspired me. The happiness is not something you postpone for the future. First number is the be positive, be happy. But think कि happiness is not something you postpone for the future. आगे के लिए आप future के लिए उसको postpone नहीं कर सकते. Always be happy. Today, tomorrow, yesterday. Not postpone this. It is something you design for the present. You can design for the present. In a gentle way, you can save the world. If you can gentle, you always save the world. So be gentle in your life, in your work, with your people, with your families. Next point, which you inspired me, let your life lightly dance on the edge of time like dew on the tips of the leaf. You can see a dew when tip on leaf sets like your life lightly dance on the edge of the time. 19th point, follow your bliss. You can follow your bliss. And the universe will open doors when there were only walls. Universe is ready to fulfill your bliss, but you can follow, you can see your dream or bliss. Always universe be positive to give your or fulfill your bliss or dreams. 20th point, each day provide its own gift. Every day is a very precious for us. Every second, second to second, minutes, hours, day is very precious for us. So each day provided its own gifts. Every day, every second, every minute, every hours, you can use your day, think positive, do positive, be happy. 21st and the last motivate me inspiration quote is the happiness is the butterfly which when persuade is always just beyond your grasp, but which you will sit down quietly. May all upon you. This is upon you. A light upon you. Happiness is the butterfly. You can butterfly like the butterfly. You can fly from all the flower, this flower to this flower. Right? When the butterfly coming from one rose for the other rose, very happy. So you can also the happy to pursue your work, your day, your meetings, any other area of your life. So be happy like a butterfly. This is very important. So these are most inspirational quote which inspired me in my life. One thing I will share you right now. If you look closely, you will notice the energy of inspiration is all around. Notice you can. You notice when you can positive your mind, you can positive your attitude. You can notice that energy of inspiration is around your, from the rising the sun to placid lake on a warm summer night. Our own reflection, the places and the things from which we can draw inspiration are infinite. And the best part is that every day is a chance to capture this energy, to seek out all of the life possibility. So this is very closely, you can notice always daily that energy of inspiration is around you. This is important thing. So Shruti, you can give me the time. As per my time, I will take most probably 5 to 6 minutes more than this motivation, my training. And again, I will thanks to all of other speakers which come next to me. But sorry to say, I will leave this webinar right now because around 12:45, one of the webinar on the poverty is lined with Uttarakhand, one of schools. So sorry to say, and give me a permission to leave this webinar. Hope all of you enjoy this self-motivation topic. Any of the query you can write down this webinar page. Also you can write on my WhatsApp. I will give you my WhatsApp number. You can write down right now. My number is 7080314122. I repeat this: 7080314122. Shruti, you can write down this number. If anyone not write, you can tell them. Yeah. So this is important topic. I will tell, as Shruti told in the